Happy to see you here on my channel Mathematics, and really interesting and tricky challenge today, 3 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. Seems pretty basic, seems pretty easy. We have only multiplication, division, so everyone learned this stuff in the second grade, so that's fantastic. Right now go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section, 3 option A, B and C. So write your option down into the comment section and we will check our answers here in just 1 second. So it will be really interesting, just trust me, because this is a very tricky question. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation, because a lot of students solve this question like that. So we have 3 times 3 divided by 3 and times 3. A lot of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, we have multiplication, okay, right here on the left hand side, and we have absolutely the same multiplication on the right hand side. So multiplication right here, 3 times 3 gives us 9, and we have right here 3 times 3, which gives us 9 as well. With this division in the middle, we have 9 divided by 9 gives us 1. We have this option, this is option A. So a lot of students solve this question like that. And I don't want to tell that this is correct or incorrect. I want you to understand that in math we can't solve our challenges randomly. We can't solve our challenges wherever we want, because there are a lot of properties, a lot of rules, and we should solve this question according to these properties and according to this rule. So on the first side, this is an okay solution, but in math we should know what is the correct order to do this problem. And according to this second interpretation, I want you to look at this PEMDAS order of operation. Okay, this is the most popular order of operation in the world. Okay, and it goes from the top to the bottom. So on the top the highest priority, on the bottom the lowest priority. Okay, so the first parentheses, we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, then we should evaluate exponent, then we should evaluate multiplication division group, and addition subtraction group is our last step. Okay, so let's rewrite our challenge right here. So 3 times 3 divided by 3 and times 3. Okay, and right now let's solve this question according to this PEMDAS order of operation. Let's look at it. So what elements do we have in our challenge? This is the main thing, because a lot of students don't know how can we use this PEMDAS according to these challenges. We should scan what elements do we have in our challenge. So let's scan what elements do we have. On the first side, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we have only multiplication and division sign. Moreover, we don't have addition and subtraction sign. Okay, so let's underline what elements do we have in our challenge. Multiplication and division. So right here we have multiplication, right here we have division. Moreover, as I told before, we don't have addition, we don't have subtraction, we don't have exponent, we don't have parentheses. Okay, so right now what is the correct order according to PEMDAS? How can we solve this part, multiplication division part, according to PEMDAS order of operation? Okay, so and here is my answer. We should scan what is the first sign from left to right. Okay, so we have 3 signs, and the first sign from left to right is this multiplication. So we should multiply it first, 3 times 3, which gives us 9. So we have 9, and we still have this expression 9 divided by 3 and times 3. Okay, absolutely the same step as we solved it before, but right here, as you can see, we rewrite this expression. We don't multiply it right now. So right here, we should scan what is the first sign from left to right once more, and this is really a great thing, because the first sign from left to right is this division, so completely another step as we solved it before. So 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. Okay, so right here we have 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and with this multiplication by 3 we have 9, and this is option C. And this is really a tricky moment, because as you can see right here we solved it before. This is option A. Right here we solved this is option C. And here the main question, what is the correct answer? Okay, A or C, really important moment, or maybe B. And here's my answer to you. Let's look closely at this first interpretation. On the first side, this is okay, but if you look closely, right here we jump from left to right, which is really bad thing in terms of math. So we can't jump, we can't solve our challenges randomly. So we should put brackets if you want to jump from left to right. If you want to do at first something in terms of PEMDAS, you should put parentheses. Okay, and then parentheses right here the first step, parentheses right here the first step. So right here multiplication, it gives us 9, right here multiplication gives us 9, and the correct answer is A. This is option A, obviously. Yeah, multiplication divided by the same expression, so we have 9 divided by 9 gives us option A. Okay, but we don't have parentheses in our case. We don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A. This is wrong solution, because correct answer is option C, because we solved it according to a correct order of operation. We just multiply right here, we divide, and then multiplication. So it's like step by step from left to right in a strict order from left to right. So a correct answer is option option C. But I want you to look at this, looks like third interpretation, and people who knows this approach, who know a little bit about algebra, can easily solve this question in like 5 seconds. So divided by 3 times 3. Just take a look closely in the middle. We have multiplication by 3, we have division by 3. So this looks like you multiply, you divide. It changed nothing. It changed absolutely nothing, so we can easily cancel this. This looks like absolutely the same as minus 5 plus 5, yeah, in the middle of some expression, yeah. It changed nothing. So forget about this middle expression. So we have only 3, only times 3, which gives us 9 also. So option C. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, maybe 50 videos on my channel about really interesting challenges every day. So I hope you will enjoy this content. Also, if this video is helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that definitely help me out now for this particular video. And if you solve this question the same as mine, if your solution is absolutely the same as mine, write your suggestion into the comment section, write your thought about your solution, how do you solve this question. And also thank you for your time, have a great day, and see you in the next videos.